What's up, fellow gamers? Here's how you can get the Liberre Rapier for Damien in Crimson Desert. Now here's another deadly needle for Damien that's got 15 points in attack damage and a level 2 attack speed boost. It has 3 empty Abyss gear slots you can utilize. You can find this weapon southeast of Demonis and northwest of Delesia, under the Gate of Peace. Zoom in and you'll see the waypoint where you need to be, which is the west side of the gate, just the end of this path. When you're there, you'll find a lower drawbridge that goes into the gate. Go inside, walk past the stairs into the next doorway, go down and turn left. Then just follow the next flight of stairs going down until you reach a dead end. Next, approach the bookcase at the other end of the room, and your character will automatically push it open. Inside the secret room is where you'll find the chest. Loot it, and you've found another bad boy for Damien. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.